So without your phone number, people can actually contact you with a new WhatsApp update. Just your username. So the error of your phone number be exposed to every canary because they want to actually contact you on WhatsApp is finally gone. As you all know that your phone number is tied to your bank, your identity, your location, even your entire life. And even people contacting you from outside the country, immediately they see your number, they already know the location where you are into. But now there is a kind of a game changer with WhatsApp username. So people can contact you, do business with you without actually seeing your phone number. All you need to do is to give them your username and you are up and running. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you drop your thoughts in the comment section if this video actually help you to reserve your username. And for those of you who are business owners, you are a content creator, you need this video as urgent as possible because a username that is common to your businesses can actually be taken by someone else. Let's say for instance, maybe username like FIFA, Davido, ShopRite. You know, if you didn't reserve it on time, someone else can actually claim it and start using it on WhatsApp. So the update actually came on the 29th of this month of June, and the feature will be open in your WhatsApp. Why this actually matters to you? Number one is total privacy. So someone can message you, a stranger can message you without actually seeing your own personal number. That is very key. Then number two, you cannot be found by accident. So there's no way people can contact you by accident. So it's not searchable unless someone has a username, they can contact you. Then number three, it actually gives a kind of an extra door for people to contact you. So if you're a creator, a business person, your brand actually wins because you have a kind of a uniform username all over your platform. Like I personally have Digitest CEO on my YouTube, on Facebook, then on my WhatsApp as username. So it's very, very good. Then number five, nothing changed about how you sign up. You still need a phone number to create an account. This is not replacing verification. It is a shield for your number, for your phone number, just like what we have on Telegram. So the reason why you need to actually reserve your number now, the reason why you need to reserve your username now is because if you didn't reserve your username, other people can actually claim that your username. You get, so that's why you need to. It's just like a domain name. Once you didn't register a particular domain name first, other people can claim it and they can even sell it for you if you want it. So it's very important to actually get it reserved. Then the question is, how do I reserve my username? So the first thing you need to do is to update your WhatsApp from the old version to the new version. So after that, then you go to settings. So when you go to settings, then you tap on account. Then after tapping on account, you will see this place for reserve username. So after clicking on your username, you will see option to create username, or you use your Instagram username or your Facebook username. Whatever option that is okay for you, you can actually use it. So it's better you maintain brand identity if you connect it to your Instagram or Facebook username, so that you maintain the same username in all your social media platforms. You get the point? Then click on reserve username, then you actually use your username. So personally, I'm using Digitest. So I'm using Digitest, for example, Digitest CEO. As you can see, this is available. Then bam, you confirm. You get. So once you reserve your username, then you are good to go. But if you delay that particular username, maybe that is specific to your brand, someone else might take it. So you have to do it as fast as possible. So the thing is, phone number is built with the first era of WhatsApp. Username are building the next one. So you reserve your username so that no one else can impersonate you. You get the point? So, and it's even good for businesses because a lot of people get scammed on WhatsApp. So with your username, if someone gets scammed and it's not your username, you can tell you, okay, this is not my username. Look at the username of the person chatting with you. So to actually protect you, and helps a lot. You get the point? So drop a thought in the comment section of this video.